Hey guys, just stopped by the Gol Dighi pond in Cox'S Bazar city. Have a look, it's awesome. Probably it's an ancient pond, but they renovated it in new design, and now it's all, so have a look. The pond is huge, like probably like more than 100 feet in diameter. That looks like another temple, Hindu temple. Probably this is a Hindu pond, I think, because around it there is loads of temples, and there is another one under construction. Eটাও কি Hindu temple? This is a Hindu pond. Okay guys, now going towards the other side of the pond. Yeah, it's like a public entertainment, probably festivals take place in here. It's like an open air theater, probably something like that as well. There's a cafeteria up there. Hey guys, let's wet my feet in the holy water. It's a Hindu temple holy water pond, but in here it's written in Bengali that taking a dip or a bath is it's prohibited. It's not allowed. It's really deep, probably like 20-30 feet deep. কত গভীর হবে? 10-12। They are saying that it's only 10-12 feet deep, but I reckon minimum 20-30 feet deep. Holy water pond. People are washing their hands and feet in the water.